Where's the ugly sweater when I apply?
Yes.
That means someone need to put your face on my sweater.
Oh.
Morning. Hello. The good girl is here. Yes, good girl, I see him close. Can't wait about now. Good girl, they plan for your belly skin and them somebody for go home. But outside, I blow cold. Watch outside. The babies them just have blow some. I say, not today. Good girl, not cold today. Yeah, guys, so today our last day, so we are pack up for up and check out. And you know, people like Jesus. And now we not do the room tour full, no? So we're gonna do it soon after we come from breakfast. Because you know, we have to go full our meal first, and so you know, yeah. Belly got full. Capo, we have to set to the camera.
What there, man?
Yeah, guys, so we're just try to pack up and go in our room tour. The room I'm messy, so but you know, we can't help it. So stay tuned. We're gonna follow Belly now.
Now we are going for breakfast.
Yeah, guys. I'm telling us out there, breeze, yeah? So
them say I written up the thing there now, so I written up where we go, you know?
Breeze.
Look at the view.
Make them see me.
Okay. See her there?
Don't worry.
Make
You
them
know
see
me
her.
look fat from the side.
See her there? She look clean. How's the far? Yeah, guys. See her there? Yeah, man. So we are going to raise up now. Every time I call her Red Lobster, you know, but...
Hello, why are you used to Red Lobster?
It's
I say, yeah,
What's that mean for the going to Red Lobster? I can't get my things.
We couldn't go in the bed. Oh, no, we're not bed today.
So, no, so I'm not going to a good girl when she reach another place. Because you know a good girl better have a full answer. Yeah, so stay tuned.
You. Hold on. Hold on. Now we're at the restaurant, Martha's Market. So.
You can't take off the mask in the capo.
I don't know.
Oh, you're going to eat tonight, mask?
We need to wear the mask to go for the breakfast.
What's that?
You have to. When you sit down, you take it off.
Oh.
I wear the mask.
Because remember, you go mix
They're
with
on
other
food
people.
and other people, yeah.
I put on the mask, no.
So guys, how a bit up?
Don't be a bad influencer.
Don't be a bad influencer. Okay.
I like to take off palette last night, so I'm not going to put on the color we want over my hair.
Which palette me take?
The pink one.
I never take it.
You never bring it back?
Or you bring it down my room.
Yeah, but you never
We
bring it
can't turn on in a private again.
What is that?
What's for food now, guys?
What is mon?
Sweet potato. Good. What's ABBI'S struggle here one now?
I eat healthy, cucumber with bacon.
With bacon healthy.
With chicken and
And a porridge. So she porridge in a bowl, one porridge. And watch it. She can't even budge the porridge, people.
some people want to know it's a good girl belly just for watch belly, right as so. Yeah, dirty capo. Dirty capo, yeah. We're going to take nice pictures. So I'm going to go up and jump in the pool. So Lord Jesus. We need to hurry, capo. We need to hurry.
Alright guys, so we just had breakfast, so you know, so the belly get look big and thing. But now we are going to the water because we only have like 2 more hours here.
Yeah.
I've made the best side, watch me.
Yeah, guys. Oh, but in a cool also, look how far Capo is. Capo, where is so far? Capo got another people in house people. Capo got another people in house. Talk true. Jesus, in a cool man, I don't talk. How deep is it? Walk over the water cool.
Good girl up there.
Hello, the good girl there.
And good girl TT.
How are this man?
Good girl TT.
Papa there, them not gonna come.
Dump on my side. Come soon go over.
Where you eat that?
No, me a kick.
Oh, you kick. People baby no, and what a baby say, man.
Is that Nana? Again, up on the place, right in the water over there. Watch view.
Tell them you're swimming to my property now.
Yeah, we're going for fair room. Watch view. Watch nice Nick.
Oh God.
Oh my God.
But the people kept giving them a boom boom.
It was an honest mistake.
Hey, right in my boom boom.
Happy I'm gonna be no duck. I gotta go down.
You gotta go down now. It's like that now. Yeah. Bombasa guys, we're under one bridge and so you know.
Under the bridge.
Under the bridge, right show. Right show. Come, I'm carrying. Stop feeling bottom.
Oh!
The people were just like, enjoy with us, clean self, I swear you know. And look, I'm good girl, I'm going to say that people have put them, out. Yeah, right show, right
Oh, this is my pool.
Fair, but this
people in pool. Put them back in, back out. Come here, I'm going to pass over there.
You want to tell the deer?
Yeah, girl. Alright, guys, so I got to enjoy with us, business, so stay tuned. This is full. Some people as you can see the fat sluggers are scared of water. Yes, right there, so right there, so. People will never watch the door, right? And when them a pass one bridge, them have to pass one gum for all chowl. So when that
on my bridge.
you don't know it.
It's the Grandpa Road.
do it and do it.
Yeah.
To get past my bridge, you have to solve this risk.
No, let him do the song first.
You have to solve
Hey, do the song for what?
Me know the best song.
I'm not gonna be your troll.
Who is under the bridge?
Gonna be your troll.
Who is under the bridge?
If you wanna come over, all you gotta do is this. All you gotta do is this. Yeah, what would it happen?
Yeah, we are coming now. Let's not that money target. Yeah, we are coming now, brother. Big ice water, man.
Really?
Jabo, happen.
Let's be honest, I don't really understand. I don't really understand. I got the glue on my hand.
Then I got records on my fingers.
Records on my fingers. I got records on my fingers.
Because they're the just dance.
Tap in.
Tap.
Let's be honest, I don't really understand.
But I fell down.
I got that glue on my hand.
And I got records on my fingers.
Records on my fingers.
Alright guys, so we're gonna turn it up. Yeah guys, we're out here. We're out here.
Yeah, start now.
24 pound and right sure.
Drink to that, girl.
24 I want some dirty girl.
Damn, nigga, you couldn't wait.
I want some dirty girl with like I'm at a saw.
I be good at. No,
I'm
I
at
be good
a good girl. Right sure. What time I done the cake? If I done the cake, people I done the cake. Look at him. Look at him.
Hello, me not get some no more.
I'm just Limas.
So guys, we're out here all long and wait for the people that will come for it. I know it's been like 20 minutes now.
Okay, I want him to go there. I got love yourself.
Maybe I don't know if we're going to. Alright guys, so we're going here now because overall, good girl and whole family. Never have no really good experience. The place nice and so but poor customer service and everything. So from the hotel we want to big up Cavan, that the boy, we give the bed slippers. Come and tell we reach, we don't see no bed slippers in our up in our room.
Yeah.
So we call room service and ask them why. The people them say, are you privileged? So we say, what I mean by
Oh.
privilege? You know what I mean by privilege?
But yeah, it was a hustle. And if I see one you named Kevin and talk to him and say, alright, no problem, I
We
get them
want to
for
go
you.
for the bed slippers.
So, I appreciate that.
Appreciate,
man.
big up yourself, Kevin. And next one, good body Kenny also. Went away in a jacuzzi later night, the jacuzzi in the hand. So I have to say, Kenny, hello. And I saw come Kenny do everything for try and help. Big up yourself, Kenny. Who else? Conroy sat with you with the liquor them. As I will go, as I Conroy say, you want more? And you have full way up so. Liquor, who
Yeah, man, I
else?
have another girl named Kim. She did actually there one bar too. And she did actually very, very helpful as well.
Yeah.
And at the front desk, named Kezia. Yes, so big up she as well.
Big up she,
And she
yeah.
do YouTube as well too. So, when I'm bar YouTube name.
About YouTube.
Oh, yeah. Diary of Kezia.
The diary of
Search
Fraser,
her
guys.
name,
Yeah,
yeah.
so one girl could support. She was
Yeah, man.
helpful. She was helpful.
So, some people don't know nice. Other than
Yeah.
that,
Other than that, guys, poor customers say, I'm going to done them right about now. Watch your area. So an incident, I'm a way talk to the manager. It's just no business. So from the manager of the business, they don't say the employees, then worse now go business. I know my sister eating. She have person that go on bed. The management for everything just slack. But them food, some of them food nice. The place pretty, but not because the place pretty means so we're going to take bullshit from them. Like, I don't know if that could get better in the future, hopefully.
that's about it.
That's about it.
So
guys.
now we're gonna go home. Guys, when they're at the hotel, I mentioned two things. Self-service are gonna be very, very poor. So when I try to make phone call, sometimes it not go through. I tell you that now go through. And the Wi-Fi is not really good neither. So just prepare to get that little issue when you got the hotel.
People, the whole team vex. Yeah, guys, we vex well. But the guys, glass drop off a table near about my sister food. And these are the people in the business. They only business about the glass money. Which they about $100. So, talk truth. I look a smart in the glass, $100 US.
One of them things the guys, but here you know, the hotel here there.
Yeah.
Customer service too poor. It's pretty everything.
But it lack enough thing.
Me for spend money by
Me not buy no
Amazon.
sweater. I
I
have
make
no
one
money.
for me.
I don't think
Ugly
we
sweater.
Yeah,
The
so-
ugliest sweater
Yeah,
win
so-
a prize.
No.
Now make sure you buy the present
Dress
we
like
give
a
it.
hobby.
Phone under the tree.
Where's the ugly sweater when I price?
Yes.
That means some money for put your face for my sweater. Later.
Okay guys, so now we have one jerk place. The name, what name I don't know. Oh, right. Jerk
What's
Center.
the jerk center? Right, that's okay. You know, good
Yeah.
yellow vibe, baby.
So we're gonna eat some food. I will just sleep now, we'll carry the whole time. me that sleep 2 at a time.
Tired.
We're tired guys, but we're going to the place to eat some food right now. So
Yeah, I'm happy. So, you know, it's a good guy can't work for your piece. Watch out,
Yeah.
look, see my nice. Come on.
See
You have
there?
one piece of clothes. I buy one, though.
yeah.
I buy one.
So guys, I eat a go on now. Let's go.
So guys, we just left the jerk center. But I tell you like them jerk chicken nice also. Them jerk chicken nice. Yeah, we look at come right there so. Seven. Baby, Seven. Seven. Today guys, Seven. Mommy baby, Sebu, mommy baby.
7 there. 7 Abby watching.
I just say, Mama,
Okay, I'm earthy, you know. Can you bite at?
Sebu.
Don't forget that.
Picture body Sebu. Look at the picture of me and him take over there so.
Yeah man, I eat that over there so people at. So at the end of the day, I hope so you know enjoy the trip because we enjoy our trip, you know.
Yeah, I mean, we
this
enjoy
part,
so
everything,
much.
we enjoy our trip like.
Yeah, because we don't pay our money already. So we just have to try our best and do what we're
Yes.
supposed to do. You know, enjoy
Yeah.
as much. Some people will for Jordan, yeah, take babysit 7 for me, right? So look where she live. Put her on the foot. Jordan really have COVID. Yeah, talk truth. But not really want to read the fun part. Me for read that part, yeah. It's been over 10 years since I've known you, and it's been a good experience. Of course, I'll get with Abby, so I remember you. How about this? Tearing off the top of your lunchbox and sharing with me when I didn't get any lunch money in high school because at times mama just couldn't afford it. Oh, Mitch, we shared a lot of secrets, and I was not afraid of telling you about my situation because you never judged me any at all. We shared some great moments that I will always remember. We definitely had some ups and downs. However, I am happy that we were able to fix them. Here I am today, still broke as hell. But I wanted this little gift, and you know I will make it up to you in the near future. I am happy to have spent my birthday with you and yours at your yard, taking care of your sweet little dog. Hello, I pray that the Lord, sorry, I pray that the Lord will. I'm rich. I pray that the Lord will continue to shower you with blessings and prosperity. I know you had a fabulous birthday, and I wish for you to celebrate 100 more. I would tell someone I celebrate so much goods. Yeah? I hope I'll be there every year to celebrate with you. Alright, Madon, 24th of fabulous. Happy birthday, stay good girl. Hey, Jody, go over that, bro.
Yes, people, but at the end of the day, I hope so you enjoy the trip, because we enjoy our trip, you know.
Yeah, I mean, we enjoy so much.
We enjoy our trip, like.
Yeah, because we don't pay our money already, so we just have to try what we're supposed to do, you know, enjoy as much. Subscribe to ABBI'S, man. This is a good girl. I said, show better.
And subscribe to Capo's TV.
Dirty one here, capo.
Yeah, get her to 10K on Instagram
Yeah, follow my Instagram down below.
Yeah.
The good girl right there, the big yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
No further talking. AC, gang is
Out.
kiss it out.
Bye. Bye. Seven.